Are you being annoyed by the Realtek Audio Svc 64.dll error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. I've linked the primary utility for Realtek Audio Svc in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Realtek Audio Svc, the core service library for Realtek high-definition audio drivers, handling background detection of audio jacks, impedance sensing, and automatic profile switching between speakers and microphones. If missing, systems may lose dynamic audio switching, leading to symptoms like no sound or headphone, and microphone jacks failing to respond to new devices. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Realtek Audio Svc64.dll. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Realtek Audio Svc64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Realtek Audio Svc64.dll, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If registry clutter or Realtek Audio Svc64 inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Realtek Audio Svc64 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.